Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am Sivasachestri, your mathematics teacher. Now I am going to teach third class mathematics chapter numbers. Students, let us go to the overview of the chapter. This chapter is basically divided into four parts. They are how is a four-digit number formed, understanding four-digit numbers, concept of place values and face values, and four-digit number and spike abacus. Before entering into the chapter, let us know the objectives of the chapter. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to read and write the numbers up to 9999. Recognize the face and place values of four-digit numbers up to 9999. Write expand and shortened form of four-digit numbers up to 9999. Ability to represent four-digit numbers on spike abacus. Shall we start the chapter? Observe the picture carefully. Bindu went to a household exhibition cum sale center with her mother. They wanted to buy some items. Observe the items and their price tags. Now, let us answer some questions. What are the items do you observe in this sale center? Yes, very good students. Gas stove, hot box, thermos flask, vegetable basket. Next question. What is the price of hot box? Yes, very good students. 328 rupees. Next question. What is the price of thermos flask? Yes, very good students. 675 rupees. Next question. What is the price of vegetable basket? Yes, very good students. 42 rupees. Next question. What is the price of gas stove? Yes, very good students. 2350 rupees. Now, let us know how four-digit numbers form. Expanded form of three-digit numbers. We already know that a three-digit number is formed by combining three digits 0 to 9 in various positions where each digit represents a value according to its position or place value. Similarly, a four-digit number is formed by combining four digits in various positions, where each digit represents a value according to its position or place value. The place which comes after the hundreds place is thousands place. And in simple words, when this place is filled, four-digit numbers are formed. Now, let us know how to write number names. Students, we have some examples. Look at the first number. We have 1 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place and 9 in ones place. We read it as 1199. Similarly, the number name for second number. We have 1 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. So, we read it as 1500. Now, let us solve an activity on number names. Look at the picture, children. There are four-digit numbers and their representation in words. Observe the first number. It has 1 in thousands place and zeros in rest of the digits. So, we read this number as 1000. Observe the second number. It has 1 in thousands place and 0 in the hundreds and tens place digits and 1 in ones place digit. So, we read this number as 1001. Similarly, the third number has 1 in thousands place and 0 in the hundreds and tens place digits and 4 in ones place digit. So, we read the number as 1004. Look at the fourth number. How do we read the number, children? Yes, 1009. Look at the fifth number. We have 1 in thousands place and 1 in tens place. How do we read the number, children? Yes, 1010. Now, how do you read the seventh number, students? Yes, 1100. Let's move to the second part, students. Students, can you fill the first blank? How do you represent it in numbers? Yes, very good. 2999. Look at the second blank. How do you represent it in numbers? Yes, very good. 4500. Students, observe the next two numbers. Try to understand how they are written in words. 7 is in thousands place, 7 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. So, it is 7740. Similarly, next number can be written as 9009. Now, how do you read the last number? Yes, it is 9999. Students, let us go to the next activity. Students, can you fill the numbers in the table? Which number comes after 1003? Yes, it is 1004. In the same way, you can fill up to 1010. Now, which number comes after 1010? Yes, it is 1011. Similarly, you can fill all the numbers in the table. Let us move to the next activity. Students, Mr. Pradeep has to write a check for some amount. Help him to write the amount in words. Students, can you see the amount in the check? How much is it? Can you read the number? Yes, it is 3456. Students, here is your first assessment. You can see the price of the items. Can you write them in words? What is the price of the hot box? Yes, it is 795. What is the price of vegetable basket? Yes, very good students, 42 rupees. What is the price of tiffin bags? Yes, very good students, 328 rupees. Next question. What is the price of gas stove? Yes, very good students, 2350 rupees. Very good students, you have done a great job. Now let us learn place and face values of 4-digit numbers. Students, place value is understanding that the value of a digit in a number depends on its position or place in the number. The face value of a digit is the numerical value of the digit by itself, regardless of its position in the number. Now, let us understand place and face values with some examples. Students, the place which comes after hundreds place is thousands place, and we have already learnt about this. So, observe the picture. There are 2 cubes in thousands place, 3 squares in hundreds place, 20 squares as 2 rows in tens place, which makes it 2 in tens place and 6 squares in ones place. And we can read this as 2326. Now, let us observe an example. Students, in this example, the given number is 8025. There is 18,000 place. So, the place value of 8025 is 8000 and there is 0 in hundreds place. Observe the note, children. The place value of 0 is always 0, wherever it is placed in a number. Similarly, the place value of 2 in tens place is 20 and 5 in ones place is 5. Now, let us move to an activity. Students, write the correct digit in the circle and write the number in the box. What are the digits of the number? Yes, you are right. It is 4 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place and 5 in ones place. What is the number? Yes, it is 4465. Very good, students. Next question. Second question is encircle the place value of the digits underlined in given numbers. In the first number, 5 is underlined as it is in the hundreds place. We are supposed to underline 500. Which is its place value? Students, try to solve the next one. What is the place value of the underlined number 3? Yes, it is 3000. Yes, it is in the thousands place. Students, try to solve the next one. What is the place value of the underlined number 4? Yes, it is 40. Yes, it is in the tens place. Students, try to solve the next one. What is the place value of the underlined number 0? Yes, it is 0. Yes, 0 has no place value. Students, try to solve the next one. What is the place value of the underlined number 2? Yes, it is 2. Yes, it is in the ones place. Very good, students. Next question. For each of the number given below, match the place value and face value of the circle digits by drawing line as shown below. Students, in the first number 8536. 3 is encircled, so its face value is 3 and place value is 30 because it is in tens place. Students, can you match place and face values of 2 in 3267? Yes, face value is 2 and place value is 200 because 2 is in hundreds place. Students, can you match place and face values of 2 in 2673? Yes, face value is 2 and place value is 2000 because 2 is in thousands place. Students, can you match place and face values of 8 in 6978? Yes, face value is 8 and place value is 8 because 8 is in ones place. Very good, students. Now let us move to the second assessment. Students, what are the place and face values of each digit in 6742? Very good, students. Similarly, can you answer place and face values of 5309? Very good, students. Keep it up. Now, let us know the representation of 4-digit numbers on spike abacus. Observe the picture, students. A spike abacus is like a special tool with rows of spikes and colorful beads. Each spike represents a place value. The rightmost spike is for ones. The next spike to the left is for tens, then hundreds, and finally thousands. Now, let us know how to represent them with beads. Observe the following. You can see the number in the picture. It is 1000, which has 1 in its thousands place. So, we have one bead in abacus in thousands place. Similarly, you can represent the second number in abacus with 2 beads in thousands place digit. To represent a 4-digit number on the spike abacus, we move the beads on the spikes. For example, to show the number 2463, we place 2 beads on the thousand spike, 4 beads on the hundreds spike, 6 beads on the tens spike, and 3 beads on the ones spike. The beads show how many thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones are in the number. Now, let us see some examples.
Imagine a spike abacus as a magical tool that helps us count and do maths. Each spike on the abacus represents a place value, just like digits in a number. Let's take the number 9542. On the spike abacus, we will start from the right side. The rightmost spike represents the ones place and we put 2 beads on that spike. The next spike to the left represents the tens place and we put 4 beads on that spike. The next spike represents the hundreds place and we put 5 beads on that spike. Finally, the leftmost spike represents the thousands place and we put 9 beads on that spike. Now, if we count all the beads on the spikes together, we get the number 9542. Isn't it fun? The spike abacus makes counting and learning numbers exciting and easy. Let's explore more examples.
Look at the picture, students. The first number is 2453, which has 2 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 5 in tens and 3 in ones. So, it must have 2 beads in thousands place, 4 beads in hundreds place, 5 beads in tens and 3 beads in ones place of abacus. Similarly, the second number 3406 has 3 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place and 6 in ones. So, it must have 3 beads in thousands place, 4 beads in hundreds place, no bead in tens place because there is 0 in tens place and 3 beads in ones place of abacus. Let us move to an activity. Students, now write the number and number name by observing beads on the abacus. Yes, very good students. You have done a great job. Now let us learn expanded and shortened forms. Expanded form is a way of representing a number as a sum of its individual digits, each multiplied by its corresponding place value. It breaks down the number into parts to show its value in a clearer and more detailed manner. Now, let us understand with an example. Alright, let's look at the number 9432. In expanded form, we write this number as a sum of its parts. The first part is 9000. It represents the thousands place, which means we have 9 thousands. Then we have 400. This is for the hundreds place. So we have 4 hundreds. Next we have 30. That's for the tens place. So we have 3 tens. Finally we have 2. That's for the ones place, which means we have 2 ones. Now, if we put all these parts together, we get the number 9432. So, the expanded form of 9432 is 9000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Just like building with blocks, expanded form lets us see how numbers are built by putting together different parts. It is like having separate containers for each part of the number, making it easier to see and understand how the whole number is made up of smaller pieces. Now, let us understand with an example. Let us explore the number 5407 in expanded form. This means we will write it as a sum of its parts. First, we have 5000. That's for the thousands place. So, we have 5 thousands. Next, we have 400. This represents the hundreds place. So, we have 4 hundreds. After that, we have 0 tens. In the tens place, there are no tens. So, we skip this part. Finally, we have 7 ones. That's for the ones place. So, we have 7 ones. When we put all these parts together, we get the number 5407. So, the expanded form of 5407 is 5000 plus 400 plus 7. Now, let us do an activity. Students, Match the following expansion form with their short form. Can you match the first number with its expansion form? Yes, you are right. Because if we sum the expanded part, we get the shortened form. So, this becomes 3465. Similarly, what is the shortened form of next expanded form? Yes, it is 5049. Similarly, what is the shortened form of next expanded form? Yes, it is 4904. Similarly, what is the shortened form of next expanded form? Yes, it is 2547. Similarly, what is the shortened form of next expanded form? Yes, it is 6660. Students, let us move to the fourth assessment. Students, can you write the expanded form of the following numbers? Very good, students. You have done a great job. Congratulations. Now solve the final test. Are you all set? Students, observe the series and fill the boxes with correct number. Very good, students. Next question. Students, read the numbers given in words below and write in numbers or numerals in the boxes. Yes, very good, students. Next question. Students, write the place values of encircled digits. Very good, students. Next question. Students, write the numbers in words. Very good, students. Next question. Students, write each of the following in expanded form. Very good, students. Next question. Students, fill in the blanks with the missing place value. Very good, students. Next question. Students, write the following in shortened form in numerals. Very good, students. Next question. Students, write the 4-digit number having 5 in thousands place, 8 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place and 2 in ones place. Very good, students. Next question. Students, write the 4-digit number having 2 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place and 6 in thousands place. Very good, students. Next question. Students, let us review what we have discussed so far. We discussed about number reading and writing. We mastered the skill of reading and writing numbers up to 9999. We discussed about spike abacus representation. We gained the ability to represent 4-digit numbers using a spike abacus. We discussed about expanded and shortened form. We express 4-digit numbers up to 9999 in both expanded and shortened forms. We discussed about understanding place value. We identify the face and place values of 4-digit numbers up to 9999.